Rolling. Are you ready?
I am not ready.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My brother's in town, so you know what that means.
Double trouble.
I'm going to beautify him today. You guys know that I have 4 sisters, so today we're gonna make him my 5th sister.
The only reason that I allow her to do this is because she took some profile pictures of me professionally, so I needed that. And she's like, you know, you gonna do that anyway.
Payback time. It's time to pay
Made that
back.
happen. And it kind of interesting to see if I did have another sister.
Yeah.
What it looked like.
I know. Well, you'll be the ugliest one.
Yeah. No, what if I come out the prettiest?
Well, actually, you know, he will not be seeing this whole process. So
Yes.
once it's finished, I will give him the mirror and then
Yes.
he'll give me his feedback on what he really thinks.
Yes.
Let's get started. While I'm doing your makeup, you should think of a name for yourself. A girl name, a stage name,
A
a
stage
drag
name.
queen name. Let's do this. Are you ready?
Oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness. This is my darkest foundation. And he's still gonna like look bright. Look at that.
I don't know how to feel about this. I just going with it.
No, it's gonna be fun.
It's gonna be fun. I don't know about all that.
I'm gonna go a little bit lower to his neck because this foundation is not matching. But you will see that it will match once I blend everything out. It's like a face massage.
It's a face
right?
massage. It goes.
Did you shave? We don't want no girl with no mustache.
Some do have.
Some do. That is so messed up. You do know that once we're finished, it's gonna be so difficult to take all this off.
Sure.
Then now you really know how us girls feel. That's why you have to clean it like over and over again a few
And reapply.
times. Yeah, and then make sure that you got all that makeup off.
Oh my goodness. I'm so happy I'm not a girl.
Foundation is on. We are moving on to concealer. Let's get that baby on there. After we do this, we should go out to dinner like this and then see if anybody can tell that you're a girl.
Or a dude.
Yeah. All right, all right, all right. Looking good. We are going to bake this face.
Bake it up, bake it up.
I feel like I gotta bake your whole face because it's so oily. Let's contour this monster of a nose of yours. Don't worry, you're in good hands.
This is what girls do for an hour. So we're gonna sit here for an hour.
Yeah, so appreciate that they take the time to look good for you.
Oh my god.
Looks like we got that there. Let's bake this nose. Okay, let's do your eyebrows. Your eyebrows are like, oh my goodness. We need a plucking.
No.
Bushy eyebrows.
Quality time with my sister. Right here, real quick. Oh yeah.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Just go like with my fusion of like of Lynn and AT.
I think you might be even better.
In a fusion. Oh.
I think that's a zit. This is definitely a zit. Ew! Looks good. We got the eyebrows done. Nice and sleek. Now moving on to eyeshadow. What color would you like? Pick a color. Come on, come quickly. What do you feel like? What's your favorite color?
Either black or blue.
Black. Okay. Okay, Backstreet Boy. Look up. Let's put a little glitter on you. I feel like glitter is going to just bedazzle and shazam everything. Shazam.
Shamam. Shazam. Yes, ma'am.
Close your eyes. Oh yeah. So excited. Can't wait to see your review. He is single,
Me feeling
so all you
myself.
ladies out there, you can always hit him up. It takes a real man to be comfortable in their skin to be able to do something like this. So props to you for that. Okay. He looks so excited.
This is my good side.
Yes, he does have a good side.
Really?
All right,
Yes.
let's get some eyeliner on you. Eyeliner, yes. I have to take a deep breath because I'm holding my breath. Because every single time I do his eyes, he's like twitching and gonna mess up everything. Do you think that you would love this so much that you would actually consider
Hell no. No.
cross-dressing?
I am very into my manhood, so I know this is okay, but it's not okay.
Let's curl your lashes. Move on. Let me see.
You're pushing the limit.
Okay, let's get that blue on there.
It's just the worst.
I barely touch your eyes. I'm actually doing it very gentle.
It's the worst thing.
It can't be worse than tattoo.
No,
Okay.
tattoos are way better.
Boopy lashes. Here we go. This is my dramatic. Since we're doing a dramatic look, we are going to hook you up. Just have fun. Oh my
This is not fun.
gosh.
This is not fun.
This is so much fun.
I think you're having way more fun than I am.
If I had a sister, well, I have 4 sisters.
Yes.
But they don't come and visit me
That's all.
as often. So, you are my 5th sister.
It's
And
horrible.
today we get to play.
Next time, I just stick with the card games. The card game, board games, I'm fine with that. It's my moneymaker.
Prepping the lashes to put on this babe. My new babe. My boo-boo.
My baby.
BFFs.
My baby.
High five. Oh my God, Vin. Just calm yourself.
I cannot. It's horrible.
I'm going to do your under eye. Just calm down and try to keep it open as much as possible. Look up. Just look up.
Feels like surgery.
Relax. Look up.
Oh my God! How do they stand here? Do this for an hour. Enjoy it. Oh my God!
So pretty.
Ah! Oh my God! Why is everything always in the eye?
Because the eye is the most important part.
Oh my God!
Just, oh, I think you're beautiful. Let me see. So pretty. Okay, let's highlight the inner corner of your eyes.
See, eyes.
We're almost done with the eyes, and then we're gonna move on face. Gorgeous. This is gorgeous. We're almost there. We're almost there.
My butt is hurting. I think it's almost been an hour already.
Nope.
Has it been an hour?
Nope.
It feels like it's been an hour.
Get up. Stretch it off. Stretch it off. Contour your
Sooner you do
face.
this, sooner you get done.
We're having a lot of fun and we're spending so much quality time together.
This is the worst time
Why
to
would you
finish
want to
it.
leave me? Now we have blush. Let's do blush.
You already did the blush!
No, I did contour. Find out your name yet.
A diverse, unique name.
Okay, let's highlight you up. Blindingness. Look at that. Such pretty cupid's bow you have, Vin.
I'm starting to feel like a woman now.
You're almost there. We're almost there. I think you're so pretty. now. Last but not least, lipstick. Let's try Lolita on you.
Lolita!
Because you're Lola. Her name is Lola. She's what? She what? She was a showgirl. You see the struggles of women? You don't got lips. You gotta make lips. Yeah, overdraw them. Gloss. Smile. Lip is so chapped. This is the final look, and I have a surprise for you. Let's get that surprise for her. Hold a moment. Here it is. So exciting. Where would you like your part?
My goodness. It's usually to the side.
Okay, what's your What's your
My
angle?
good side is right here.
Oh, you want the hair to go this
So
way.
yeah. Ready to rock and roll. I just want to say, I hope my sisters come home soon. I know they just visited, but I hope y'all come home soon.
So I have someone to play with.
So Minh has some play dates with y'all.
This is so fun though. This is my 5th sister. Her name is Anvin.
Anvin.
Okay, are you ready for the reveal?
Yes.
You are.
I'm ready for the reveal.
Are you ready?
Freaking
Okay.
took like an hour and a half to do. Oh my gosh! It looks like Lynn! It looks like Lynn! Hi, Olivia! Dude, that shit looks like Lynn.
Let's go out to a dinner like this and see if you can get somebody to buy you a drink.
Oh, it's horrible.
What's the look that you give somebody when you want them to buy you a drink at the club? Okay, Anvin, figure out how you gonna get that drink. Give him that look.
Give me that drink. Drink. Oh my god.
Cheers to my girl, my boo, my sister.
The
Okay.
forgotten sister.
Yeah, my sister, Anvin.
Oh my god.
Yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I hope you like this look. You wanna do it again?
No. What a transformation.
I know.
I'm telling you.
Do you want to take headshots?
Yes, definitely. With my good
Let's
side.
take headshots.
It'd be sad if the girl looked better than the guy looked at me. Fudge, right?
So, take your headshots and let me know how business goes. Alright guys,
So
thanks for
funny.
watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Yes.
She is single too, so holla. Sister pose. Yeah.
Peace sign.
Peace.
Too much
High five.
fun.
Give me a girl one. Oh my god.
Oh my goodness. Why? How do women deal with this hair?
That's why it's difficult, you know. And then
Dude, I look so much like Lynn. So, this is horrible. If I hold Olivia would be like, Mom.
I think you look good.
I've
think-
seen girls that don't look this good either.
Sister pose.
Oh, this is where my tilted head gets in the way. Yeah.
Sister pose.
Oh my gosh.